Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Charmander from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Charmander, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a very tall curve. So I'm going to go up, nice and high, and say about right here. And then I'm going to bring it down to about the same level and then just connect with a soft curve at the bottom. So I'm going to use this point as my guide and come across, say about this wide, and draw another one. So let's go up nice and high, just like the other side. Then come down and connect. There. So now that we have these two shapes in, let's go ahead and fill it in. So right here, I'm going to add a curve on this side. So this is going to be the white part. And then in here, we're going to draw a big oval right in the center area. And then underneath it, we're going to draw a curve. So kind of like this U right here. And then we're going to just draw two curves to finish it off. And then come back in here and shade this all in. And then this bottom part is the color, is where you would put the color of Charmander's eyes. So same thing on this side, but the curve is going to be on this side now. Let's come right here, and then we're going to do the same thing. There. So now, now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just draw a soft curve on both sides. Then we need to draw the mouth. So I'm going to come down a little bit space, so let's say about right here. And same thing over here. I'm just going to give myself these 2 points, about right here on the same level, right underneath the eyes. And I'm going to draw the top of the mouth. So it's going to be kind of this wobble shape. So I'm going to go under, then come up towards the eye part right here, and then I'm going to go down again towards the center, then go back up, and then go back out. There. So the center dips down is what we need to make sure we draw in for this part right here. And then we can open up the mouth. So let's come in about right here and here. And I'm just going to draw a deep, big curve to open up the mouth. So about right here, come towards the center. And same thing over here. There, nice big mouth. And before I forget, I'm going to come back into this center area here. And right about here, I'm just going to draw 2 little slanted ovals. Just kind of fill it in for the nostrils. Then let's come back in here, and I'm just going to lightly just draw a curve right here for the tongue. Just very subtle. And then we need to draw the teeth. So right underneath this eye, I'm going to come right about here and draw 1. Same thing here. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw 2 smaller ones. Here and here. There. So we have Charmander's eyes and mouth, and we need to draw his head shape. So I'm going to come to the this corner right here and just come out very slightly. Same thing on this side. Just give yourself these points. And then from there, we're going to get really close to the eye. We're going to draw the top of the head. So we're just going to kind of angle in. And same thing here. It's really close to the eyes. Just draw a slight curve, and then we're going to go up and just round it off for the top. So about right there, and then bring it down to connect everything. There. And so now that we have that, let's give Charmander some cheeks. So let's come down, and we're going to come out just slightly around the mouth, go around the mouth, give it some cheeks. So same thing here, just kind of puff it out a tiny bit. And then I'm going to come back to my center and just give myself a point about right here, not too much. And we're just going to finish up this curve. So we're just going to go around the mouth and hit our point. Oops. There. Oops. Made a big mess. And then same thing on this side. It's always harder because I can't put my head over this drawing. So bear with me here. Okay, so there, now that we have this shape right there. So that is pretty much it for Charmander's head. Now let's draw the body. So I'm going to, let's see here. I'm going to skip a little bit of space. So maybe about right here. I'm going to come down to kind of like how wide the arms would be. I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. So same thing on this side, about right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. From there, I'm going to come out and draw a slight angle line out. So now I know kind of like where the body is going to be. Then let's bring this down a little bit more. And so then from there, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So I'm going to come out about right here, and we're going to curve. We're going to curve out to about right here. And then right here, we're going to come out. So it's going to get a little bit thinner as we come out to where the fingers are to create the shape. So it's a little bit rounder here. And then we're going to just zigzag 1, 2, and 3 for the hands. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And we're going to start there. So let's go out. Slight curve, and then go in to say about right there, but the same as the other side. And once again, we're going to curve and dip in to go thinner. And then zigzag 1, 2, and 3. And then now we can go ahead and draw the body. So I'm just going to kind of imagine how low I want the body to be. So we want one nice big curve. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to kind of imagine how low I want it. So I'm going to say about right here is how big I want the body to be. And using this as my guide, I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve right in the center. That way I know where to start my legs. So let's bring this down a tiny bit more. And now about the same level, I'm going to come out. And then we're going to come down. And then on this side, let's go up a tiny bit more. And then we're going to angle out. And then come down for the feet. And then this part is going to come out. And this part as well. So now that we have this two, we're going to just connect it with 1, 2, and 3 curves so that we can put in some nails. So I'm just going to come right here, go 1, 2, and 3. So let's do the same thing on the other side. We're going to curve it out. So let's bring this up a little bit. Since this part is closer, I'm just going to try and match this part first. And down at the same level. So let's come out. And it's going to bend about right there. So I'm just going to give myself a point. Kind of know where I'm going to start bending. That makes it a little bit easier. And I'm going to bring it down. Just like the other side, this part is going to come out. And out. And then once again, 1, 2, and 3. And let's go ahead and draw the nails. So 1, 2 and 3. And then for the center, we need to draw the tummy area. So using these 2 points as my guide, I'm going to go up to, let's say about right here. I'm going to find my center, about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this big curve going all the way up. And round it off. And same thing here. Round it off and bring it all the way back down. There. Okay, so we got this tummy in. Now we need to draw, just soften everything up. Now we need to draw a tail. So I'm going to come back to about right here and just going to draw a curve coming up. We're going to thicken it up. So it's a little bit thinner here, wider here. And then as we come up, let's just draw the flame. So I'm going to say about right here, just draw a curve coming out. And we'll just tuck it in, so that we don't have to draw too much detail. There. And last but not least, I am going to tuck a little heart right here very lightly to make this my Draw Cute Charmander from Pokemon. I really hope you love how this turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Cute videos. See you later.